afternoon, IPSUM peeps. It's Sue again with the last tutorial in this series of how to make things, craft things with a piece of paper. So today we are going to make these lovely Chinese lanterns that look quite complicated but actually really simple. You can decorate these and maybe hang them in the garden in this beautiful weather, or decorate your house to cheer you up. Okay, so what you will need for this is our trusty piece of paper, some scissors and some glue. Okay, so first of all we're going to take our piece of A4 paper and we'll just want to take a little piece off, a strip off, that is going to be the handle for our lantern. So the best way I found to do this, to get a straight line, is just to fold it over. So you probably just want to fold it over a centimetre or a couple of centimetres, just over in line with the sides, press along and then just chop that little bit off, and that, keep that to one side because that's going to form the handle of your lantern. Okay, so keep that, that's going to be your handle. What you then need to do is to fold your piece of paper lengthways like that, again lining up your edges. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make some slits, but we're not going to make them totally to the end. So to stop yourself from cutting too far, what you want to do is again just fold the piece of paper over a couple of centimetres, and that will give you that line so you know not to cut up to it. So then what you're going to do is you're going to cut approximately a centimetre apart. The more cuts you do, the more gaps you'll have. If you're doing this with children and they just want to make a few cuts, then that's absolutely fine, as long as they don't go past this line. So I'm just going to chop, chop, chop. You can play with maybe making different size gaps with your cuts, but I'm just going to stick to about a centimetre or so. Chop, 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 all the way. If you've got very small children, you might want them to decorate the piece of paper first and then you help with the cutting. So if you are decorating, it is probably best you do it before you start putting it together. So once you've done that, you want to open up your piece. You should have something that looks like that. We now need to stick the shorter ends together. I'm just going to put some glue along this edge. So again, if you've only got double-sided sellotape or tape, that's absolutely fine. It's a time to be resourceful and creative. So we're just going to roll that round and stick it to that edge there. Like so. Simple as that. There you have your lantern, and that's where now you take your strip for your handle, put a little bit of glue one end, a little bit of glue the other end, and then that gets stuck on opposite sides of the lantern. So very simple to make, very effective. You can make quite a few of these in different shapes and sizes and colours and string them up and hang them in trees around your house. So that's our last paper tutorial. Next time we are going to be making things out of string. If you do make any of these crafts, we'd love to see what you do. And so if you can hashtag us on social media, IPSUM Swindon, and we get to see all the lovely things you make. Okay, bye for now.